Okay, good day everybody. I hope the audio is clear enough. This is briefly to show you how to install Java in your Windows PC. If you're saying this, we have it's in 4 short steps. First, we're going to download the Java JDK, and then we install the JDK. We set the JDK path, and then we'll do a little test to confirm that Java has been successfully installed. First, we have this Oracle website, where you can get your Java software. So basically, you only need to come here and then you select your version. There are so many versions here. I am using a 64-bit computer, so I will be downloading this. And so you just click on it and it should pop up, and then you just begin download. I've already downloaded this, so I'm not going to spend additional time downloading again. So I'll just go straight to where I have downloaded it. Here you can see I have downloaded Java. To confirm this, let me quickly do a test. Here the Windows R, I'll do that again. Windows key R shows your run screen, and then you enter. That gives you a command prompt to test if I currently have Java installed. You just do Java C, and it should tell you Java is not recognized. That means I don't have Java already. So this is probably the error message you're getting, and that's because you currently don't have Java. So we'll be installing it together. So I'm going to go ahead and install the Java. Okay, Java is currently installing. While it's installing, I believe this will take a few moments. So okay. So I'll just stop it. It's now you just install the Java. It's currently installing. At the moment you should see this. This indicates that you've run the installer and you proceed. I'm showing the screen so that I won't skip so much, so we don't have. This is the same process you follow. Right. So while it's installing, I'll just okay. At some point, it's going to ask you whether you want to change the installation folder. For me, it's fine. I'll just leave it where it is currently. And then it begins core Java installation. Okay, I got this message. It says it's successfully installed. So you just close that. Currently, if you've completed that process, it's okay to believe Java has been installed, but yet we have to set the path. And right here you can navigate to your local disk, your program files inside Java. This is the second time I'm installing for me. Okay, I have this already. So if you check inside your Java folder, inside JDK, inside bin, you should see Java C there. But this is visible, the Java C. This is all going to be running, and anytime we test, this is what the file that is actually called. So what we want to do is to set this part to system variable. So to do this, you just right click on this PC, properties, hopefully this is it. Okay, it gets you to advanced system settings, environmental variables. Inside these environmental variables, just look for here there is system variable right below. That's what we're going. So system variable, recall that we couldn't access Java from command prompt, so from the path under system variable you just edit. There is add new. I'm saying something like Java path, and I don't think that's correct, so I think I can even edit this if I want. I can edit this and I can choose something else. So I'm going to add new anyway. New. I'm just going to paste this, and okay. This is basically all. We've set the path. Doing so, we've already set the path. So to test if this is fine, we will do it using our command prompt, Windows R again, and that takes you to your command prompt, and then you go Java C. It works. This indicates that Java C is seen from the other part. So the next is actually running our test program. This is a simple test program. If this runs fine, then Java is not only properly installed but also works. So that's the final check we'll be doing, and that takes us to the fourth step. So I'm going to comment the rest of this since there are extra contents. So the rest have been commented, and so we are left with our program. This program simply takes user input to be Y or any other thing, and either way it's going to say Java is working, because for this to happen, Java is working. So I'm just going to save that, and this is already on this. This is already going to go to CD desktop. Java, on the Java folder now, and I'm going to say Java C. The name is Java. Okay, this runs fine, and then you remove this C and then just say Java hello. This is saying, is Java working fine? And of course, yes, it's working fine, because we're able to compile our program, and so it says thank you, we're done. So this is brief, I hope, and I hope it's clear enough. So thank you very much for listening. Hope this helps.